Halacha number 7. If the reader himself is Oleh, so it's possible they give Aliyah to Baal Korei. There is no problem, right? It is necessary that another person must stand near him. Okay? For just as the Torah was given through the intermediary, Moshe, our teacher, may peace be upon him, so must we conduct ourselves while reading it through the intermediary. So what does it mean? Let's say. So basically the proper way when this Baal Korei is reading Torah, you need the two people. One is on the left, one is on the right. So that's how you show that respect to the Torah. As we said yesterday, not yesterday, last time, whenever last time was it. So another person who just finished reading the Oleh before, he should stand on the right of the Torah until this person that was called after him finish his blessings, and they call another person, then only this person can leave, basically. So let's read the commentary and explain. The reader represents God, no more no less, right? This Baal Korei, given the Torah, and the person standing alongside him represents Moshe. Interesting. When a person other than the reader is Oleh, that person represents Moshe. So basically, they're talking about here situation when there are no two people standing next to the Torah. So in this case, only two, meaning this Baal Korei and Oleh, meaning the one who was called to the Torah. So when there is only one person, Baal Korei is Oleh himself. They give him Aliyah. So somebody else have to stand to the Torah. But in our cases, as we explained, since there are two people on the left and the right, there is no problem. Continue. See how Mishnah Brura 141:16, who suggests that the common custom is for three people exactly to be standing in the Torah while it is being read. Okay, that's in all of the shuls. I think there is a custom. The Rabbi, who calls upon those who are to make the blessings, has an authority. Thus, he represents the giver of the Torah. Okay. The reader represents Moshe, God's intermediary, and Oleh, reciting the blessing, represents the Jews who receive the Torah. Thus, when the reader is the Oleh, two people should stand alongside him. So, and as we said, we have two people, meaning the last from the previous Aliyah.